A very warm namaste to all of you. Wishing you a great International Yoga Day. Yoga. Yoga is a physical, mental, and spiritual practice. Yoga is an invaluable gift of India's rich tradition and culture. It embodies the unity between mind and body, thoughts and action, restraint and fulfillment. In other words, a true harmony between man and nature. Yoga gives you natural immunity and at the same time it also supports you in attaining the mental peace which is much required in today's COVID-19 times. Dear friends, I am Kamal Dua from Ortho Clinical Diagnostics India team and today I would like to introduce two very basic practice and asana with all of you. These are very basic but very effective. They helps you in reducing stress, improving sleep quality and improving lung function. And these are few basic proven benefits of yoga and asana. And I would like to mention here, I am also a beginner. I have learnt all this through my daily practice of yoga and asana. Anyone can start this daily basic yoga from the comfort of their home. Breathing is a core part of any asana that we do. Now, before we move on, I would also like to share few basic rules of yoga. And yes, there are few golden rules of practicing yoga at home. Yoga should be practiced empty stomach. If you had food, at least wait for 3 hours before or after doing yoga. Always find a comfortable place in your home where you can get fresh air. You can use a yoga mat or even a simple bed sheet will do. Avoid excessive intake of tea and coffee whenever you are practicing yoga. Always remember, morning is the best time to practice yoga. You can always start with simple poses and then you can go with complex one. Don't take shower at least 20 minutes before or after doing yoga. The one breathing exercise which I do daily is deep breathing. Breathing helps you to regulate your breath and thus improving your thinking process. My dear friends, let's go step by step. So first breathing practice which we are going to discuss today is deep breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. And let me explain you step by step. Take a yoga mat or simple bed sheet on the floor, then take a comfortable position. Remember, make your spine straight, back straight. This will also correct your posture. Now keep your hands on your thighs like this in a resting position and make a Chinna Mudra. Now when I say Chin Mudra is something like this. When you touch your finger with your thumb, we call it Chin Mudra. We should always practice breathing exercise with Chin Mudra. Now close your eyes. Now observe minimum 2 to 3 cycles of normal breathing. Remember, pay your all attention to your chest and take normal breathing. And once you are done with normal breathing, inhale. Now inhale. Inhale as much as you can. Remember, pay your all attention to your chest. Pay your all attention to regulate your breathing pattern. You can also hold it for few seconds. Start with 3 seconds and you can always go up to 7-8 seconds. Now exhale gently as much as you can. Again, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. You can always count your inhale and exhale numbers. Make sure your inhale and exhale numbers are same, or even you can practice and you can achieve it. Breathing always helps you to regulate your breath and so it improves your thinking process. And with this, we'll move with the second breathing practice. So after deep breathing, what we are going to discuss now is alternate breathing and we call it Anulom Vilom. Anulom Vilom is a very powerful breathing practice to regulate your breath. Anulom Vilom are of many types. What I am going to discuss is one of them. To take a comfortable position, make sure your spine, head, and neck are straight. This is very, very important. Left hand in Chinna Mudra, right hand in Vishnu Mudra. Now, when I say Vishnu Mudra is something like this. Your second and third finger resting your palm and thumb like this, and rest two fingers like this. This is your Vishnu Mudra. I would like to mention one point here. Vishnu Mudra will take bit of practice, so you can achieve it by doing your daily practice of yoga and pranayama. Now I will explain you about the steps of Anuloma Viloma. Let me do a demo. With the right thumb, close your right nostril like this. And now inhale from left. Close your left nostril and exhale from right. Now again, inhale from right nostril. Close your right nostril and exhale from left. Now again, inhale from left. Close your left nostril and exhale from right. And this way, we complete our one round of Anulom Vilom. As a beginner, you can always do minimum 3 to 5 cycles of Anulom Vilom, and with the time, you can enhance your level. I'm again mentioning Anulom Vilom is a very, very powerful breathing practice which regulates your blood and overall energy. And this completes our Anulom Vilom breathing practice. So I would say, make breathing practices a part of your daily practice to regulate your breath and to convert your energy into a meaningful thoughts. I would rather say one has to be very patient with yoga and pranayama. You may not see result immediately, but after few weeks, you will observe a conscious awareness of monitoring and regulating your breath, which will finally result into a stress-free mind and body. Every breath has its own importance. Every breath can make a huge difference the way you think. Let's make yoga and pranayama the part of our daily routine towards staying more healthy, more fit. Let's make our nation fit. Let's make our nation healthy. I strongly encourage everyone to do yoga and pranayama daily. With this, I would say, be safe, be strong, and stay at home. A warm namaste to all of you.